Yeah.
But what do you think for next steps?
I'm kind of lost actually right now because the Strider's gun is a good thing, but another thing is Dr. Guo, he is willing to help me, but as you said, he doesn't have any correct medical diagnosis. So he told me we can work on together to get the good result. Yeah, that means some surgery, then to see the result. But as being a human being, I don't really like to use my body to do the experiment, you know?
I think you're 100% correct because that kind of surgery or procedure is really quite serious.
Yeah.
And really has to be done by someone who's really an expert.
Yeah.
And it has to be the right
Or,
surgery.
or someone who can tell me the result. Or like I know this case, my problem is too weird, but I still need some confirmation, some safe margin, you know.
Right.
And
And I think that's where your doctor can do a consult or describe your symptoms to somebody at the Cleveland Clinic. So the first step is for your doctor or you
okay,
to contact Dr. Metna at the Cleveland Clinic
okay,
and briefly describe your symptoms
okay,
and say to him, who can you direct me to at the Cleveland Clinic
okay,
for additional information?
okay,
And Dr. Metna would be the one who would know exactly the person, or I'm presuming, would know the person to talk with. So that would be your next step.
okay,
Describe your symptoms. It's going to be better if it comes from your doctor.
okay,
Just because doctors like to talk to doctors more than they like to talk to real people
okay.
sometimes. And that's your next step. And then see what kind of a response you get there.
Okay, so so Michael, could I ask a favor from you? I mean,
Sure.
I think you are the person who knows my problem the most in the world. So when I talk to the U.S. doctors, can I just say like you are the person who recommend me, and if he got some, if he's not clear about my problem, can he write a mail to you or can he just call you? Because Dr. Zhu, the former doctor, he told me my breathing pattern is very weird, but he cannot describe it by writing, because Dr. Zhu was not the expert for the breathing. So I asked him, can he write me a letter to let me to bring it to show a chest doctors? But he told me it's very difficult to write it in words about my movement. And then
All right.
so and now can you do me a favor, like if a doctor can just contact you and could you talk to him, you know, on the phone, because words is easier, talking is easier for people to understand my strange problem.
Sure. Sure. I'd be happy to.
Thank you. Thank you.
That would be fine.
Thank you.
Fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So at this point, I'm going to check one other resource for you in the next week, and I'm going to see if there's. I know a couple of people at Massachusetts Eye and Ear Infirmary at Massachusetts General Hospital.
Thank you.
And I will, I'm going to check to see if I can find a couple of names down there as well. The Cleveland Clinic is really known for this stuff, but I'll see if I can locate a couple of other names for you. That's kind of a backup.
Thank you.
In case you don't get a good response or the Cleveland Clinic feels they can't help you. We'll see if we can, so we'll have a backup plan.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay?
Yeah.
All right, good. Well, I think that's it for today. I mean, let's try to meet. Let's meet one more time next week. I'll just review any additional information that I can offer you relative to some other contacts, and then we'll stay in touch via email, and I'll continue to do whatever I can to help you on your journey.
Thank you, thank you. So, you mean the next week will be the last time for us to see each other, right?
I think so, unless we get together online for a cup of tea.
Yeah, yeah. So, yeah. So after that, if sometimes I mean, actually, before I really decide to have any surgery, can I write you a mail and to request we have another online meeting again?
You can do that anytime you want. I'm available, sure.
Thank you, thank you. And also, I checked the background of the Cleveland Clinic. I think the city is not big, right?
No, the city's not. Cleveland is not a huge city, no.
Yeah, because this is, maybe I'm wrong, but this is a principle for me to judge is the hospital capable to solve my problem, because more population, more people, and
not necessarily. Not necessarily. The Cleveland Clinic sees people from all over the world. It's like the Mayo Clinic in Rochester, Minnesota. Rochester, Minnesota is a relatively small area, but they see people from all over the world, so you can't really judge the hospital or a clinic like the Cleveland Clinic by the size of the city they're in.
okay.
They see people from all over the world.
So the principle in Taiwan doesn't apply to Cleveland. Okay, okay. Thank you.
All right, so next Tuesday morning, same time, or Tuesday evening your time, same time next week?
Same time, same time, same day. So, Michael, during this week, could you, if it's possible, could you ask anyone who knows about this? Who knows about this exactly?
I will. I'll take that picture up and I'll ask our pulmonologist what he thinks about that. Yeah.
Thank you, thank you. Because I'm going to ask doctors also. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Hey, so we'll see you in 1 week.
Yes.
Great. Have a good day.
Yeah. And Michael, there's one thing I'm wondering. Why the color of your hair a little bit changed?
Well, I think it's the light. I was noticing it looks a little redder, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I haven't changed the color of my hair. So maybe the light or the transmission. Maybe I've been out in the sun a little bit. I've been out in the sun over the weekend. That could have done it.
Oh, I see. Okay, okay. So.
Don't know.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we'll check the color next week.
Okay. 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 Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Right. See you then, Joe.
Yeah. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Yep. You too.
Thank you for help. Thank you.
Go, Joe.
Bye.